Hi everyone, let's review place value. Okay, I have a place value chart here for us to work on, and we have some base 10 blocks to play with. So let's take a look at the place value chart first, okay? In our place value chart, we see all the way over to the right, the first place value, the ones place. You see that? That's where we record numbers up through 9. And then we have the tens place where we count groups of 10, and the hundreds place where we count groups of 100, the thousands place where we count groups of 1,000, and so on. So let's count some numbers and represent them on this chart. I've already pulled out a whole bunch of base 10 blocks. Do you see these base 10 blocks up here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones blocks. So how would we represent that on our place value chart? Where would we put the 6 if we wanted to count these 6 ones? Well, you're right. We put them in the ones place. So let's do that. A 6 in the ones place is 6. That's what we've represented here with these base 10 blocks. All right, but what if we pulled out some other base 10 blocks, like some tens blocks? What if I pulled out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those? Now, what number do we have represented here, and how would we write that in our place value chart? Well, let's count them up, okay? We got one group of 10 is 10, two groups of 10 is 20, three groups of 10 is 30, 40, 50, plus 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So now we have the number 56. We have 5 groups of 10 and 6 ones. How will we write that in our place value chart? Okay, I think I hear somebody say the answer, but let's do it. New color, here we go. All right, so we have 5 groups of 10, so we'll come to the tens place and we'll write a 5, and we still have the 6 ones, so we'll write a 6 in the ones place, and that number is 56. All right, let's get a little crazy now. What if we pulled out a hundreds block, but not just one hundreds block? What if we pulled out, let's see here, 3 of them. Ooh, now we got a big number. What number are we representing now? Well, we're first going to count groups of 100, so let's do that. We got 1 group of 100, 2 groups of 100, 3 groups of 100. So we're going to write that in our place value chart in the hundreds column, aren't we? So there's 3 groups of 100, right? And then we still have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. So we'll put that in the tens place. And then we still have the ones we need to count, right? So let's do that. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the same number. So all in all, we have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356 represented in base 10 blocks. And that is exactly what we're going to represent by writing in our place value chart, 356. All right, one last step. What if we just took the lid off this party and dropped in a 1,000 block? Oh, man. This 1,000 block, this is 10 hundred blocks, right? Because 10 times 100 is 1,000. All right, so now, I want to go nuts. Boom, I'm putting another one in. Can I just do one more? Why not? Can we just do one more? Why not? Oh no, can I do another one? Yes, I can. All right, now we have, well, let's count them up. We got 1,000, we got 2,000, we got 3,000, we have 4,000. So that 4,000, I gotta get them out of the way. That 4,000, that is gonna go, that's the first digit in our next number, isn't it? So let's see here, 4,000. Where would we put that digit, that amount, that value in the place value chart? Yeah, in the thousands place, right there. 4,000. 4 groups of 1,000. Now let's keep going. Plus we have that same whole number, right? We still have the 1, 2, 300. So, and then we have, I'll just keep going. Plus the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. So that's 350, 351, 352, 353, 54, 55, 356. So we have 4,000, 300, 56. All right, the pattern that we're looking at here, okay? Every time we move from one place value to the next place value to the left, we multiply by 10. That value is 10 times bigger. The group that we're counting is 10 times bigger than that place value that we just left, the one just to the right. So 10 is 10 times bigger than 1, right? 100 is 10 times 10. It's 10 times bigger than 10. And 1,000 is 10 times bigger than 100.